In this series on how I write, format, and self-publish my Kindle ebooks, in step number 5 of this process, here's how to insert hyperlinks to various types of websites inside your Kindle ebook that link to websites outside of your Kindle ebook. First, what types of links should you include in your ebook to begin with, if you were to include them? Well, for me, I like to include hyperlinks to my personal and/or business websites, links to specific pages on my websites, links to my social media accounts such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or TikTok, links to where you can buy or read my books and other ebooks, links where you can hear my audiobooks, links to my products, services, or courses that I have to offer, and recommended resources and other links as well. Now that you know what kind of links that you might include in your Kindle ebook, the next question might be, where should you insert them? Well, in the front of your book, throughout your book, and in the back of your book. Now that you know what kind of links to include in your Kindle ebook and where they might go, here are several examples inside my ebooks and how to add a hyperlink inside your Kindle ebook as well. So here we are inside this ebook in Microsoft Word, and I'm going to show you how to insert a link right here because I have a website reference to my website. So I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to give you a tip right now. Anytime you have to insert a link anywhere, do not type it out character by character. If you can, highlight what you want to insert and then copy it. Copy the wording, copy the characters, copy everything about it. Don't make mistakes by typing something in character by character by character. No, just try not to do that. Okay, so I just copied this bartsmithworld.com. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to choose hyperlink. Or I could do highlight, insert, hyperlink. And do you notice something? Do you see the quick key command, Control K? That also will help you insert a website link. So you can right click and choose hyperlink, and a pop-up window shows up. Insert hyperlink. Or you can highlight this and just hit Control K, which I like to do. Control K, insert hyperlink. Okay, this first option, web page, is chosen. That's correct. Then we have the text to display, which is right here, bartsmithworld.com, bartsmithworld.com, and then the address. This is where we're going to type the full web address, including the HTTP portion of the domain name. Okay, so http:// you must include that, and I'll show you why in just a minute. So let's go ahead and click OK, and we have a link. Now, to test this, Control click. So I'm going to press the Control key down, and I'm going to click this with the mouse, and we're going to go to my website. And sure enough, it went right there. Excellent. It worked. Now, over here, right click, edit hyperlink, open, copy, remove. We could remove this hyperlink. Control K. Now remember when we said we needed the HTTP? Okay. Now, if we do not use HTTP:// and you just have the domain name and you click OK, it will be a link, but it won't work. Okay? It won't work. So be sure, right click, edit, make sure we have the HTTP:// and that is perfect. Excellent. All right, you just inserted a link. Now, check this out. Sometimes that will appear. You don't want that. So I'm going to highlight it and delete it. And that gives me the beautiful, clean bartsmithworld.com. If I were to right-click and edit this hyperlink, we would still have the HTTP there because the text to display is devoid of the HTTP:// which is what we don't want. All right, good. And just to test it, we can test it one more time. And sure enough, there we are. Great. We know it works. Okay, now let me show you how to insert social media links. Okay, so here's an area where I say, hey, socialize with me online at YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Well, all you got to do is just go find the links for these accounts which belong to you. So for YouTube, I'm just going to go find my account on YouTube, copy the link, and bring it home right here. Let's go do that right now. All right, so here we are on YouTube. This is my YouTube account, and all I'm going to do is just highlight this address inside the address bar, this URL. I'm going to copy it. Copy. And I'm going to bring it home right here. Now remember, we can do Control K, and all we have to do is insert what we copied right here in the address bar. And we're done. Text to display, YouTube, that's great. Here's the full address. Here's the HTTPS, ://. Click OK, great. And all we have to do is test it. So if I click this, it will take us right to the YouTube channel that belongs to me. And voila, here it is. Great. Now for Instagram, let's go get that. Here's my wildly popular Instagram channel. Go ahead and highlight the address, the URL in the address bar. Copy. Come back home. Highlight the Instagram wording. Control K or right click and hyperlink. Paste that thing right there. Paste it. Click OK. Done. Same thing for all of these. Now, which ones do you have or don't have? Choose the ones you do, leave off the ones you don't. Let's go get LinkedIn real quick. So here we are with LinkedIn. Let's go ahead and grab the address, the URL in this address bar, highlight it, copy it, bring it on home, highlight, right-click, hyperlink, paste. See what I'm saying about this paste business? Don't try to type it out character by character. Highlight it, copy it, paste it. It's safer and cleaner. Okay, great. And then always test the links. Great, it worked. And in a nutshell, that's how you insert your social media links into your ebook. Going and grabbing the URL of your account on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, whichever ones. Leave off the ones you don't have, keep the ones you do. It's up to you. All right. Now, in this Google Doc, for the same ebook, let me show you how to insert a link inside a Google Doc if you were to write your ebook in a Google document. Again, I'm just scrolling down to the copyright page where I have a website that I reference. I'm going to highlight it, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to insert link. And check this out, Control K. The same quick key command in Word is also used in a Google Doc. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead and insert that link. And the unique thing about Google Docs is you do not need the HTTP://. You don't. Interesting. So just remember, when you do and you don't need it, all you got to do is just check your work. Apply, and let's test it. Sure enough, it goes right there. So that's how to insert a link inside a Google document. And again, you can right click and remove the link, copy the link, open the link, edit it. If you made a mistake, you can edit the link. All good stuff. Now let me show you that very link inside the ebook previewer on KDP. Let's go to the copyright page where we added a link. We inserted a link right here. This is the link that we worked on, both in the Google Doc and also in Microsoft Word, just to give you those two examples. Well, if a reader is interested in learning more about you or what it is that you have, and there's a link there, they're just going to tap it with their finger, and then they're going to go right to your website. How cool is that? Or whatever website you wanted them to go to. Pretty cool that you could insert a link inside your ebook. Right on. In this example, with this book, 150 plus mistakes coaches make, basically this was a book that I wrote for coaches, life coaches, personal coaches, business coaches, to avoid certain mistakes in their coaching business. Well, at the very end, what I do is I recommend my coaching client forms. This is a digital product. So here you are with a product to sell, whether it's digital or physical, and you make mention of it in the back of your ebook. And after you provide a little image and maybe some description of what the product is, you'll have a link that takes the reader to that website so they can check out that product and maybe purchase it. So when they click on this link here, it takes them to the website where they can check out my coaching client forms, read about them, and then buy them, download them, customize them, start using them. Excellent. So just a little idea to include sort of like what they call upsells. So you have them, they're in your ebook, they just finished your ebook. Well, where do you want to take them now? Well, maybe promote something of yours. It could be an affiliate product, maybe something off Amazon, or who knows, whatever it is. But that's what I wanted to do, was to promote my coaching client forms inside this particular ebook, Rich Coach, Broke Coach, 150 plus mistakes coaches make. This was an example of promoting a digital product inside an ebook and linking to it. Well, hey, I hope this video was extremely helpful in learning how to insert links into your ebook with KDP. Come on, let's check out the next video tutorial in this series, and I'll talk about how to insert bookmarks inside your table of contents. So when they click on a section within the table of contents, they'll be taken right to that page within your ebook. Come on, let's check it out.